Right, pleasant good morning. So, in the vessel again, and we go in and check the condition of the cabin air filter, or the pollen filter as Emmanuel call it. Right, so when you open the pocket, you'll see this lock here. Right? This lock is really a hook, and this is to prevent the pocket from falling all the way out, right? So, if you watch, you'll see a little groove, but like your finger to fit, you just push it down. Right? You push it down and it won't hook. Right? So if you watch it good, you see the hook. Right? And then now you apply some pressure to the side. Right? See that side come out, similar on this side. And the whole thing will just slip down, right? And then that is where the filter is. Right, so the whole pocket will hang down. You get access to the filter. Right, so you press this little clip on the side, get the side out, same thing. Press. Right, and where we see any condition of this one here. Right, so this filter, like it haven't changed in forever. Right, so we got a replacement and change it. And that's inside of there. Alright, so we got the cabin filter to buy. This one is a substitute. Right. Part number. So we go in and install it now, right? Right, so. Alright, so again the cover off. Right, inside. Take the cover. Clipping in one end. Press it in. Right, and we're good to go. Right. So raising it back up. Similar. Pressing this side. Pressing that side. Both of them in. So when you replace the filter, right, you push back in the pocket. These two will lock here on both sides. Right, so it will lock in the groove there, as you see it. Right, and now the lock here, if you watch it, you see in the hook, and if you watch there, you see in the kind of round thing where the hook's supposed to lock on. Right, so you just pull it out to extend it. Right, and once it reach the groove, see it there, you just pull it up. right? And close your pocket.